Alright guys, welcome back. We're doing a recap of the trades we took today. We are up 135 on the evaluation account, and we are up about 50 bucks on the funded account. Funded account, let's see, go the trade. So I took a stab long here today at 4541, expecting dips to get bought up and hold, and I believe my stop loss was right around here. I did end up exiting early. I didn't love how the action was until we finally started breaking out. We did end up hitting our 45.50 target, okay, but had things to do anyway, so would have had to exit right around here anyway. But yeah, I exited for a small win, didn't love it, fine. And for our sniper trades for the day, we went 3 for 3 in about 15-20 minutes, so we're gonna review them. Started trading this at 9:35, only taking HD ODD trades. So the first trade we took was right here. So we saw HD, okay. Technically it was a little bit of coil chop. You're not supposed to do in coil chop, but still a big trend, okay. And we entered at the close of this candle 340%. So I entered here and took our profit there. Okay, so first trade win. Here is an ODD trade. I did miss this trade. Happened like 10 seconds after our exit. I did miss it. That would have worked as well. So technically, I would have loved to take that trade. I got distracted explaining the win, but I missed the next trade. So that would have been another win there, but we still moved on. And then the next trade we saw was this trade. So we had ODD making a low, really nice setup, except there is a dev here. But that is fine. Usually NQ really moves through these like nothing, unless it's really stacked on top of each other. A lot of things stacked. So took a trapped Xbox 30% on the ODD detector. Entered a tick or two, what was it, 2 ticks above, so 43. Exit top of that candle. Okay, so that's our second win. And we move on. Our third win was right here. So we had 425% on the HD. And for HD, you really need it to be, so it can't be, how do I explain it? If this was a high, a new high that was created, you can't take the next low, like the next pullback. It has to be one pullback, and it has to be the second pullback that you trade it. So here's the first pullback, here's the second pullback, okay? That's the technical rules. Sometimes I don't listen to those because it works good without that, but yeah, 425% here. Right at a mini magnet, another mini magnet here. So, but yeah, you wouldn't want to take probably anything into these, as there's a ton of pause, ZOI, wall, mini magnet, but we're not taking into that. So we enter right there, 25.75, exit right there. Got a little bit of a bad fill, but still worked out fine. So those were our 3 trades. And the morning kept on going. I was done there. So it was actually only 10 minutes of trading. And we were done. We were up 3 trades. Would have been actually sooner. There's technically 4 solid trades in the first 10 minutes this morning. But we obviously missed that double TX / ODD trade. So we'll just keep reviewing some of the stuff for the morning. That was all I took for the morning. But there was quite a few more good trades within the first hour, if I remember correctly. Let's see. The SLZ trades worked great this morning. I think every SLZ won. Every SLZ won. So like right here, technically this is an HD trade. So we had a high and then a lower high, kind of like a pullback, right? So we didn't create a new high, over 125%, trapped Xbox. Your stop loss would have been up here, so that wouldn't have gotten hit. But I don't think your take profit would have been hit. You would have entered right around 44.5, so you would exited at 42.25. Yeah, so you would have missed that. But technically not a correct trade. You need 2 pullbacks. So that was the first pullback, and there was nothing else. So there wasn't a second pullback. So we'll keep looking throughout the morning. No trades. Guess there wasn't a ton. Here's the ODD trade, but we're kind of in chop. Still ended up working out if you took it. 50% new high, trapped Xbox, double TX. There you go. But kind of coil chop in a range, so it might not have been the highest quality trade. Still worked out fine though. They usually tend to work out fine. Again, here, technically HD. We moved up, pullback over 125%, trapped order with the trend as well. But technically, it's technically 2 pullbacks, but a lot of times I would take that. So a lot of times I would take that. But either way, you would have won. Either way, you would have won. Keep looking. So technically this trade right here. So first pullbacks right here. Second pullbacks right here. 600%. That's a good HD trade. Okay. Good HD trade right there. And there's no trades in here. This, not a trade. Thought it was HD for a second. This is a good ODD trade. Made a low, pretty little trend down, right? Made a low ETX and trapped Xbox, regular trapped Xbox. There's two bars profit right there. So overall, the day was pretty good. Seems like things are working quite well. Okay. Again, the ODD HD trades seem to work the best, so especially on an NQ. So here, first pullback, second pullback, 125% or more. Boom. There's your take profit. There's a dynamic magnet and a dev, but again, NQ just, I don't know, seems to pop through these like nothing most of the time, unless they're stacked really close, like these levels right here. Again, another HD trade right here, back to back. First pullback, second pullback, now third pullback. There you go. 2 bars. There you go. Okay. Working like butter again. Just in a nice downtrend. First pullback, second pullback, over 125%. Boom. Two bars. There you go. Keep going. Some of these could have been potential HD ODD and they just disappear. Sometimes that happens. So sometimes you will, looks like we miss a loser, because a lot of times, not a lot, it doesn't happen that often, but for example, if this popped up as we were live, we enter, and then it instantly reversed, the percentage thing would disappear, so we wouldn't see that playback. So that's a nice ODD win, 30%, new high, there you go. So mostly wins, maybe 1 loss today if you traded the whole day so far. New low, no, not a new low. So yeah, up until now, looks like the whole day maybe 1 loss, and then the rest probably about 8 wins total. Yeah, we're up 3 trades. That's it for the recap. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. We're doing a lot more of this in the Discord. And we're looking at polarity in the Discord, sniper in the Discord, bookmap in the Discord, supply and demand in the Discord. Everything you need to know. So hopefully I'll see you guys in there. Yeah.